Welcome. Today we will understand the four pillars of object-oriented programming in Java. Let's start with the first concept, class and object. A class is like a blueprint. Imagine you want to build a car, you need a design first. That design is your class. Now, when you actually create a car, like a Honda or a BMW, you are creating an object from that blueprint. For example, we can define a class called car, which has a color and a method to drive. Here's a simple code snippet. We declare a class called car with a string variable for color and a method called drive, which prints car is driving. Then we can create an object of this class using car myCar equals new car. This object, myCar, represents a real car based on our car class. Next, we move on to encapsulation. This concept is about wrapping data and methods into a single unit, like a capsule. You can think of a bank account where the balance is hidden from the user. In Java, we can achieve this by using private variables along with public getters and setters. For instance, in a bank account class, we have a private int variable for balance, a public method to get the balance, and another public method to set the balance. Now let's talk about inheritance. Inheritance allows a child class to acquire properties and methods from a parent class. It's similar to a father-son relationship. For example, we can have a parent class called animal that has a method to eat. Then we can create a dog class that extends animal and adds its own method to bark. The next pillar is polymorphism, which means one name, many forms. It can occur in two ways: compile time, method overloading, and runtime, method overriding. For example, in a class called add, we can have multiple sum methods that take different numbers of parameters. This shows method overloading. Method overriding can be seen in an animal class, where we can have a sound method, and the dog class can override it to specify that it barks. Finally, we have abstraction. This is all about showing essential features while hiding unnecessary details. Think about driving a car. The driver only needs to use the steering wheel and accelerator without knowing how the engine works. In Java, we can use abstract classes and interfaces to achieve abstraction. For example, we can have an abstract class called shape with an abstract draw method, and a circle class that implements this method to draw a circle. In summary, we explored class and object, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. These are the core concepts that make Java a powerful object-oriented programming language.